Bro, it is way too early for this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're headed to, what is it? Stancewars? We're headed to Stancewars today, and it's really early. Homegirl Taylor's coming with us. What do you mean, scared the shit out of you? Oh, we're meeting the whole Subi squad at Mount Home. They wanted to leave early. They wanted to leave at 8, so it's like 7 in the morning. We're taking the 46 because I'm not taking the 46 to any meets or anything. So we're going to be taking the 46 today. I've never been to a Stancewars, so should be good. Gotta stop and get gas. We're waiting on the rest of the guys to show up. They just hit me up asking me where I was. They're not even here yet. So we're gonna sit here and wait. Probably go get something to eat because it's freaking early. I did not eat before I left the house. And I'm tired, so I need a Red Bull. So we'll probably go get something like that before they get here. And then once they get here, we'll probably head out. They're probably gonna pump as well. Hopefully they don't take too long. Oh shit, there you go. Ew, you like those? Oh, they don't have the blue ones. Darn it. Can you hold it?
You're so cute.
Am I?
Yeah.
You have your seatbelt on, right?
Yes.
Okay, because I've never done this, but I've always. Fuck yeah!
You were so excited.
I've always wanted to do that. I think we made it. Almost turned off the wrong place. I ended up leading because nobody else knew where we were going. Oh, thank you. Okay, here, you do it because if not, I'm gonna mess it up. What does it say?
I don't. No.
They want us wearing masks?
No.
Okay, good.
Can you rest?
Oh shit, wrong wrist. Do that one.
Fuck, I
Look,
fucked
send
up.
it.
I fucked up.
We made it. It's a thick ass tire. You running this today?
I broke the axle yesterday.
Oh.
I'm gonna park it in the car show today and then race the Civic. Yeah, I broke it. Sad day.
Damn, is that an LS or?
No, that is the original C motor.
Okay.
Just with a big custom intake manifold on it. So
That's
it's
dope.
a 3.2 liter, but it's still C. There's a 70, a 6.7L turbo through the back bumper right here. You can see the back of that big turbo right there.
Oh, okay. Shit, okay. I want one of these so bad. This is gonna be the next car. Next car I get is gonna be one of these. Build one of these. Oh, that's what you got wet over? Build one of those. Why?
Dude, why are all these paints so nice?
This isn't that bad. This isn't that good.
Yeah, it is.
That's not that glossy. The red's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, this is clean.
M54?
And 55.
M54, bro.
Sheesh. Get one of these. This thing looks dope. Am I supposed to be in here? I think I can. Get one of these.
I want to do this to my car.
Suicide doors?
Lamborghini doors.
That's sick. That's fucking dope. I just got 10 times better. Holy shit, that's dope as shit. This is baller as fuck. That's clean. I like this one. So far, that's my favorite. N54.
Oh, buddy.
This is the IS though. So this one's like, this is like the top of the line. This is like the best trim of this year that you could have gotten.
Damn, bro. Just chip in.
This one's dope. IS. I haven't seen an IS. I want one of these. I actually really want a Lexus. Before I bought my BMW, I almost got a Lexus. I want one. I still want one. Honestly, if I were to sell the BMW, it'd be for a Lexus or for FRS. Somebody should do that to their headlights. When do you guys have to do that to their headlights?
Oh, not that good though.
Well, obviously not.
Yeah, but it wasn't that yellow.
Yeah, it was.
Really?
It's not that yellow.
I don't remember.
That's so badass.
Hella race car. I miss Rafa's. Rafa had one, not exactly like this. It was WRX, and it was same model. So yeah, WRX. Rafa had one. It was pretty basic, but honestly, I miss it. He shouldn't have sold it. I really liked it. Get one of these. Okay, get one of those. Audi. Oh shit, they're gonna drag race the tractor.
Outside the lanes, front wheel drive, FWD, Force Deduction Pro, please.
A UTR. What is it? What's it racing? A Talon? No. Oh, dude. I want one of those too. I think that'd be a great daily. Dude, I want one. Dude, I feel like it'd be a good daily. That shit looks comfortable as fuck. The Supra?
There's so many cars.
That GTR is pretty dope. There's a couple newer GTRs back there too. I don't know, we might build a Honda soon. This is actually kind of motivating and inspiring. "10 seconds? Nine? 9 seconds? Holy shit. Right?
Civic wagon.
Huh?
Civic wagon. These are crazy. Almost done.
They are, huh?
I gotta lean on one.
Super swap it.
No.
No. God, those things are loud. 9 seconds. I didn't notice that was a 50-year anniversary. That's just dope. It's got the sticker too, the badge. We got a Nismo over here. So I think it's the Audi and then the 335 IS. So I'm actually curious to see what the 335 will run. $117 at 12 seconds? Holy shit. See, these are clean. Supercharged? Bears. This is dope. Dude, look at this. I've seen this around. Oh my goodness, freaking Miata. That turbo's huge. That's way too big for that. That's kind of dope, not gonna lie. Subarus. I like this. I want one of these. I don't know what this is. I think this is, yeah, 335. I still want one. The F-Series is so clean. Just get one of these. It's like a Miata. Better. This one's better. Or one of these. I'm gonna get one of these. Maybe next year. Maybe next year. I want one so bad. These are so nice. So I guess they started the limo competition.
You're the no power steering crew. Here we go. Here we go. We ought to make it happen. Yeah, you're good. You weren't even close. You're good. What color is this? This is the color of like great grandma's woodwork she has in the house. All right. I'll be close to little duck tail. All right. All right. Ooh, nice. Wow. Right-hand drive. This is cool. This is classic. I do not see a lot of those. Oh! You're good. You're good. It's possible. Let's do it. Let's do it. Back them in there. So you made friends. Oh, it's still head. You gotta get fatter friends. How we looking? How we looking? Yeah. Woo! Gravity! We're gonna see what happens. Let's get the Boosted Boys shirt on. Those are great guys. Kyle and Dan, Bruno, and Jamie. Okay, you did. You made it. So let's bring it down. How close? We've like half inch. This car was not made all this much. People, look at this. Look at the air freshener. It is a naked woman. Does it smell like naked woman? Is it? Oh, is it? It's like a millimeter. Okay, like a nanometer. Okay, hey, red Mazda. What I want you to do is pull forward like 30 feet and hang there. Barely touch. So if you go under without touching, we have a freaking winner. Let's find out what happens. Let's find out what happens. Yeah! Oh, confidence! Team, slow down. We have a winner. Everybody, huge round of applause. I think Eunice.
No? 150. Is it a J-Swap turbo? I don't remember how fast this was running. Well guys, we just got back home. I don't know if it was Stancewars or like import Faceoff. I don't know what it was, probably like everything at the same meet, but it was pretty good. Honestly, I enjoyed it. It was a good day. We literally just got home, Taylor left. We all decided to leave like after all like the end of the drags. The guys actually wanted me to go do the burnout competition and I was kind of down for it, but nobody else wanted to do it. I think before we left, they actually found a couple people that did want to do it. And I was like, should I do it? Should I not? I didn't take another set of wheels, so I could not have burned through another set of wheels. And I also thought about maybe just sending it on these. CJ said he would give us a ride back if my wheels did pop. I ended up just coming straight home. I didn't stay for the burnout competition. I didn't do anything. We just left. It kind of got boring after all the races got done, so we just called it a day. And honestly, like I said, it was more like a track event, like a drag event day, more than an actual like Stancewars meet. I think they did have their like little Stancewars for like the back where we went and actually saw the cars where they were parked up front, and then out in the back where they had the pit was like just for like drag cars and like some cars back there. Yeah, I think the main event was just like the import Face-Off where like all the Hondas and like all the other cars to just take on the drag strip. Honestly, it kind of motivated me to like put the money into this. I was thinking about buying another Honda for a little bit and doing a Honda build, but after thinking about it for a little bit, I mean, why buy another platform if I haven't even finished this one? So I think honestly, if I were to throw the money into this, boost it, and just make it a little bit lighter, rip off all that metal from the back seat that holds it up, and honestly just make it a little bit lighter, a little bit more like track friendly, I really think it might be like a decent track car for no matter what I want to use it. If I want to drift, I can get sideways. I have the suspension to drift if I really wanted to, and a drag setup if I really wanted it to be. And depending on what tires I throw on it is what I'll use it for. Like I said, drift or drag. Definitely throw some different seats in here and probably just like a harness. Depending on what tires I throw on the car is what I would adjust the stiffness to on the dampening for these struts. And that'd be what we'd run for. But I really don't have anything right now. I was supposed to pull the tranny out of the Suburban this weekend, but I did not get to it. So we'll probably start working on that this next week. I think I found what parts I need, but I need to pull that transmission off before I start ordering parts. If you guys made it to the end, I greatly appreciate you guys. If you guys liked the video, go down and hit that like button. If you guys liked anything you saw, go down in the comment section and let me know what was your favorite car from this show. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of content coming on the way, and I'll see you guys in the next one.